Hey guys, so in this video we're going to be talking about bonding in VESPR, so specifically periodic trends. So the first thing we want to talk about is atomic radius. So as you go right to left on the periodic table, the atomic radius increases, and as you go down, it also increases. So we want to talk about why that happens. So thinking about it in a different way, when you move from left to right across the periodic table, the atomic radius decreases. So the nucleus has a greater positive charge as you move across, so the entire electron cloud is more strongly attracted and shrinks. So the atom would be much smaller. So this shrinks the electron cloud until the point where electron-electron repulsions overcome the attraction between the nucleus and the other electrons. So it stops the contraction of the electron cloud. So it goes down as you go down the periodic table. It increases because the principal level n, which you probably know when you do electron configuration, determines the size of the atom. So as you add another principal level, the atoms there's a much larger radius because there's more electrons, so the cloud is much bigger. So ionization energy is the energy required to remove an electron. So in the gaseous phase specifically. So as you go from left to right in the periodic table, you increase the ionization energy and you increase it as you go up. So this is because removing an electron from a metal like sodium or magnesium or any of these metals, it's usually like a positive charge when it's an ion, so it is really easy for you to remove an electron from these. Rather, a fluorine, for example, has a -1 charge typically, so removing an electron from that would make it more positive, which would not be very stable. So next is electronegativity. So it says electron affinity here, but you don't have to really worry about that because they have the same trend, but they have a different definition. So electronegativity is the ability for an element to attract an electron or an atom. So for example, fluorine is a commonly used one because it is the most electronegative on the periodic table because, like I said in the last slide, it generally has a -1 charge. So it attracts that electron a lot because it wants to get that -1 charge and gain that electron. I hope this helped with periodic trends. Thanks for watching.